Hello everyone, how are you all? Everyone fine? I am also doing great. Today is 1st April 2023. 1 month is left for your CA final examination. CA final examination is going to commence from 2nd of May. Can I say this 1 month is very important for your life? This 1 month can change your life, can change your destiny, can change your career. Can I say in this 1 month you should be fully dedicated? You should use your time efficiently and effectively. Means what I want to say, even though you were not efficient in the past, if you have not completed your preparation in the past, don't worry. 1 month is left. Use this time properly for your preparation. Dedication should be there. Can I say in this 1 month you should be fully motivated to study. What I can say that if you use this 1 month effectively, efficiently for your preparation, you can change your result. It is my words, you can change your result. Even though you have not planned your past properly. Got it? What I am saying? So what I want to say, this 1 month is very important for your life, which can change your destiny, which can change your life. Focus for this 1 month. Right now, don't think about your result. What will happen in result? Focus for your study for this 1 month. Whatever happened in the past, forget it. Definitely I will say if you are dedicated in this 1 month, it will change your result. Normally what happened, if you are efficient in the past, if you are fully dedicated in the past, but if in the last 1 month you are not dedicated, you are not efficient, believe me, your positive result will become negative. And it can be reverse also. Means if you are not efficient in the past, if you are not dedicated in the past, you have not yet completed your preparation, but in this 1 month, last 1 month, you are fully dedicated, you are fully efficient, you are fully motivated. Believe me, your negative result will change to what positive result. So can I say this 1 month is very important for your life? Don't ignore it. Don't ignore it. Correct? It will change your life, it will change your career. Now, how can I help you in this 1 month for FR preparation? Coming to that point, what I have decided that I will create a completely new group, Telegram group for FR revision for May 2023 exam. You all can join that group. You all can join that group whether you are my student or you are not my student, that is not at all important. But why I am creating this group means any student, if they ask any doubt in this group, I will reply as soon as possible. Means I will be available for you for 24 hours till your exam. Normally what happens when you are preparing for FR, then FR is a very lengthy subject. Any doubt comes, what will happen? You may waste your time. You may delay the preparation because of that doubt. The doubt may be what? That doubt may be what? A point where you are confused. So if you are confused in between, you may waste your time. So what I will do, any doubt you are asking in the group, I will reply as soon as possible. Means it is my commitment to you all that once I see the doubt, it is my duty to answer that in this group. Understood? Correct. So first thing, I will be available for you till you write exam for doubt solving in this group. Got it? Second thing, from 3rd April, I will be coming live to you for the discussion of expected question. Expected question, the list already I have provided to you. So that expected question, mainly for A category chapter, I will be discussing live to you from 3rd of April. The updates about this expected question discussion live session will be given in this group. Got it? Not only the expected question, if you have some doubt in any other question which you find difficult, there may be some difficult question which are not included in my expected question list, so you can ask me in this group to include such question in the live doubt session. And suppose I have already completed my live doubt session or live session for expected question list. What I will do, I will create a video for that difficult question for you, for your understanding, so that you don't waste your time. Correct? It means, can I say in this group, I will be available for you For all doubts, I'll be available for you for discussion of expected question list, and I'll be available for you for discussion of any question which you think that is difficult. Got it? Yes, sir. One more thing, I've already provided my FR revision lectures, both in Hindi and English language. I don't know whether you are listening or you are not listening that. If you have listened that, very good. If you have not listened that, then you plan yourself for FR revision. But just try to understand, if you, while doing FR revision, if you have some doubt regarding any concept also, just mention the doubt in the concept. If I find that that concept require clarification in video format, I will create a video for that concept also. Got it? Even though I have provided entire FR revision lectures, correct? To save your time, so that you don't waste your time in this 1 month. So in this 1 month, I will be with you for 24 hours till you write exam. One more thing, suppose any doubt which I am not able to explain by way of message format, means I am not able to answer you in the form of message, then don't worry, I will give you the time, you can call me in that time. I will be available for you in calls also. Got it? Correct? I'll give you the number, my number, in Telegram group only. Nothing to worry about that. Got it? One more thing, if you want any suggestion, any type of preparation tips, individually also, one-to-one basis also, I'll give the time. Just message me in that group. I'll give you the time. You can call me in that time. I'll give suggestion personally also on call. Got it? Means what I want to say if I will sum together all the points, I'll be for you for this 1 month for FR preparation, so that we both together will make FR preparation easy. Got it? I will put my 100% effort, you put your 100% effort, both effort will make FR preparation easy. I hope this will really help you for FR preparation. Got it? Once again I will say, 1 month is left. In this 1 month, not only for FR subject, for all subject you should be fully dedicated, fully motivated, fully efficient. Correct? This 1 month, if you use properly, it will definitely change your career, it will definitely change your life, it will definitely change your destiny. Got it? Yes, sir. And don't forget, someone is waiting for you. Someone means your parents are waiting for you to become CA. So therefore you can't waste this 1 month. You can't waste this 1 month. Use this 1 month effectively. Got it? Thank you very much. We'll meet soon. Take care. Bye bye. All the best wishes for your exam. Bye bye. Take care.